Top 5. Best Kayak Outriggers and Stabilizers. To explore kayaking, adding a stabilizer to your vessel can benefit you greatly. Number 5. Premium Kayak Canoe Fishing Outrigger. The previous one. Made from high-quality materials, the stabilizers are inflated very quickly. You get a mounting system which you screw into your kayak, and then you attach the stabilizer arms. A nice addition are the 4 repair patches included in case you have an accident. Easy to carry. Durable. Adjustable height. Number 4. Heavy-duty inflatable outrigger. Are inflatable. They are really heavy-duty as the manufacturer suggests. You can quickly inflate and deflate them, making them very easy to pack and transport. They have PVC coating for added protection, but in case something unpredicted happens the manufacturer includes patches with the purchase. Easily inflated. Quick installation. Affordable. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search Best Kayak Outriggers and Stabilizers or simply click below the video description link. Fish-friendly fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 3. Sidekick AMA Kit by Hobie. And very reliable. You inflate it using the one-way valve, and it can be deflated in seconds by unscrewing the valve caps. In the package you get 4 nuts and bolts you use to install the gear. This top-rated kayak stabilizer can be positioned in 3 different height levels to allow adjustable height, quality build, easy to install. Number 2. Canoe Outriggers. These have pontoons, which are non-inflatable. They are made from high-quality PVC. Even though this makes them bulkier for transport, it's unparalleled when it comes to durability. You don't have to worry about potential damage. The overall quality of this product. PVC pontoons. Stainless steel hardware. Seating assist cord. Number 1. Kayak Stabilizer System. Available. True, it does cost a bit more compared to some alternatives, but as you'll see it's well worth investing your money in. The pontoons have a thick and durable PVC outer shell which is tear and puncture proof and a durable inner bladder. Exceptional stability. Puncture and tear resistant outer shell. Adds 30 pounds of buoyancy to your kayak. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search Best Kayak Outriggers and Stabilizers or simply click below the video description link. Fish-friendly fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts.